So in Python, there's variables. If I want to print one out, print x, give me 10. You can also add variables and print them out. 10 plus 5, 15. You can also add the variables to a different variable, then print that one out, which would be the same thing, 15. There's also if statements. So if x equals 10, it'll print x equals 10. If x is equal to anything else, it will print out x is not 10. So in this case, x is 10. There's also functions. So this function averages two numbers. So it takes these two numbers, 10 plus 12, divided by 2, 11. You can also do it with a different number. So in this case, 0. In Python, there's something called strings. Strings are basically text values. Each character inside of a string is represented by a number. E is represented by 0. X is represented by 1. A is represented by 2 in this case. So if I take S2 bracket 0, it equals E. If I take S2 bracket 3, it'll be M. This is called a slice. So what this is it takes every number, it'll print out every number from 0, 1, 2, but it won't include 3. So it'll print EX and A. There's also something called a for loop. So what a for loop is, it'll iterate through each value of I. So I starts off as 0, and it'll go up to 10, or right before 10. So I print this out, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it'll go all the way up to 9. So a while loop is similar to a for loop, however, it's a little bit different. The while loop keeps looping as long as this condition is true. So this condition is true off the start because 10 is greater than 0, but through every iteration, 1 is added to j. So once j reaches 10, then that's when the loop will break. So as you can see here, it goes to 9, and when it equals 10, the loop breaks. So I hope that helps somebody, and I hope you learned something. Thank you.